Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video using the JSON prompt. So first go to ChatGPT and go to GPTs, type in VEO3 JSON prompt and select this one. I'm just going to wait for it to load and then start chat. You're going to type this first, develop my prompt from an idea. And it's going to be like, yeah, where's your idea? I'm just going to also add like a prompt I got from ChatGPT on like the idea that I want. And it's going to give me a kind of prompt here, as you can see, where I can copy here. So just press copy, go to Google Flow and new project. I can't show you what it looks like because I'm not subscribed to this, but you're going to select text to video, you're going to paste it, and you're going to type in, you're going to select VEO3 fast, and you're going to also select one output per prompt, and you're going to generate it. As you can see, I don't have AI credits, but that is pretty much how you can use JSON prompts to generate AI videos, just to be more accurate with the output later. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.